Salamat. Salamat sa sa kasiyahan ko. Uwi na tayo.
Alright, so I think he's just told all of us to go home.
Thank you for all the fun.
Actually,
Thank you for all the fun.
Nelly, would you like to say something? Because I think some of the people who came in late didn't hear your speech earlier. So we'll get the last chance to talk to Adenelli, just to send some warm wishes to everyone and maybe repeat what you said earlier.
First of all, I just want to say thank you again to everyone. But most importantly, thanks God for giving us this day to celebrate Ronnie's life, his 60th birthday. And thank you really to everyone who supported us during this time. We really appreciate your love, and alam ko na di namin to nalampasan kung wala kayo na siyang sumusuporta sa amin. Thank you for all your prayers, your love. Thank you is not enough to nasasabihin namin sa iyo, kaya maraming salamat. God will bless us all. Thank you.